How to set full screen on Oneplus phone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up settings on your device. Scroll down your notification panel and tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on system and updates. Now go to system navigation. If you don't find the setting here, go back. Now tap on the search bar. Now type system navigation. Now once you're done, simply tap on search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on system navigation. Now tap on gestures. If you don't know how to use the gestures, simply tap on learn. Now swipe from the left to go back. Again swipe from the right to go back. Now if you want to go to the home screen, swipe from bottom screen. Now to open up recent app manager, swipe upward and hold. Now to switch between the apps, simply swipe right or left from the bottom navigation bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.